loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be something a little bit different. I'm actually going to be filming a video full of different tips and tricks to help you maximize your space in your suitcase and be able to pack all the things that you want to take on your vacation. So this is going to be kind of like the tropical edition, if you will, because I am going to Mexico this weekend for a wedding. Super excited. But I always have issues with packing. I never ever pick out my outfits ahead of time. I just kind of chuck a whole bunch of random stuff in there, and then when I get there, I hate everything and throw a fit. Story of my life. The other issue is if it's anywhere tropical like Mexico, I always end up packing like 400 swimsuits and not nearly enough clothes. So with that being said, this video is going to be all about proper organization and how to pack more effectively for your trips, but also how to pack all the things that you know you're gonna want to bring but you don't think that you can fit. This way you won't have to leave anything important behind, and you will never run into the situation where you are mad at yourself because you didn't pack that skirt or that top doesn't really match those pants. You will be able to pack everything you need and more and still be within the weight limit of your suitcase. This isn't a video for anyone who's like a light travel packer or like how to pack for a month. Like absolutely not, I could never. This is a week vacation in Mexico, so it's gonna be a mixture of dressier things, casual things, everyday things, swimsuits, shoes, all that fun stuff. So if this is something that interests you, please continue watching. And before we get into the video, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button down below and come join the family. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell, that way you never miss one of my videos and you're always notified and up to date. And if you like this video and you feel like it was helpful, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button for me. I would really appreciate it. So without further ado, I'm gonna shut up now and let's get into the video. I decided to pack one pair of sneakers, a pair of flip-flops for the beach, two nicer sandals, a pair of wedges, and two pairs of heels. For shorts, I decided to pack a few casual pairs and a few dressier pairs for the evening. I also wanted to pack a few pairs of pants just in case it gets chilly at night. I love me a good crop top, so I made sure to pack lots of those in colors that will be easy to pair with different outfits. And because you know you can never have enough tops, of course I had to pack a bodysuit in every color. I also made sure to throw in a couple casual comfortable dresses and a couple dressier ones. Of course you can't forget cover-ups for the beach as well as for nights when the weather might be a little bit chilly. And in case we go hiking, it's always good to pack at least one pair of athletic clothes. On to bikinis, arguably the most important part of this entire video. You know I will be living in swimsuits this entire trip, so I had to pack at least 15 to choose from. I packed a big sun hat, a few sunglasses, 3 different crossbody bags, and all my jewelry in that plastic Ziploc bag. I also made sure to throw in my hair straightener, curling wand, face wash, all my products, and my makeup bags and brushes. Now you're probably wondering how the heck I fit all of that stuff into a medium-sized suitcase. Well, the trick is packing cubes. You guys seriously need to invest in these. I got this set of 6, I believe, or maybe it was 9, on Amazon, and I believe I only spent about $12, and you would be surprised how much stuff you can fit in these guys. As you can see, I literally have fit all of my clothes into just one packing cube, aside from one of the dresses and a sweater and my swimsuits, which I put in the second one. I then went ahead and used the remaining smaller packing cubes to separate my products out into, as well as some of my smaller shoes like my sandals. In a 24 by 15 by 12-inch suitcase, you can see I managed to fit all of my packing cubes in there very easily without overstuffing the suitcase or struggling to zip it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching.